Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Alright. So today we're going to be working on this really nice 1930 Standing Liberty quarter. We're going to make this into a size 6.5. Let's go. First thing we gotta do is punch a hole in it. We're gonna get that prepped up here. If you have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. If you want to check out some of my stuff, tap this gold chain down here. Really nice quarter. Let's go. Go ahead and ask y'all to tap the screen a couple times. Currently got 0 likes on this live and about 230 people watching. I think we can easily get to 1,000 likes before I finish punching a hole in this beautiful quarter. Look at the toning on the rim of that, around the stars. Really nice. This blue paper towel helps protect the details. So we punch a hole through it. But you want to make sure there's not anything overhanging the edge of the coin, because the centering tool will grab it and kind of move it over. So that's a nice size. Right there. Dang, we got 866 people in here. If y'all are interested, tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. That's got some fun links, my YouTube channel, my store, some of my more popular items. Go ahead and check that out. If you want to be real nice, you can hit the follow button and tap the screen a couple times. Now we're going to hammer this 1/2-inch punch through an almost 100-year-old quarter. About 6 years short of 100. Very nice. The paper's hanging on. I'll deal with that later, but still, pretty cool looking punch. E pluribus unum right between the eagle's wings. Very cool. See how our coin's looking so far. Still haven't hit 1,000 likes, guys. Tap that screen a couple times. Let's go. There is our coin so far. The data's really nice and crisp on there. It's gonna make a cool ring for sure. Now, if you look on the inside of the coin, it's a little rough from where we punched that hole through. So I'm gonna take a deburring tool and cut away some of that rough edge. Clean it up a little bit. While I do that, y'all make sure to tap the screen a bunch and check out the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. Give that a tap. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. For the coins that you use, do you exchange them for what they are worth at banks and such? I do search through like quarter rolls looking for specific coins, like so I can have a wide range of years available, if that's what you're asking. But I don't usually exchange a lot of coins with the banks. I like to keep and use my coins. These are like my medium. It's like my clay, my paint. Now, some of the rougher quarters I come across, I usually just spin them. What tool am I using? This is called a deburring tool. Specifically, the brand I recommend is Noga. I've tried quite a few different types of deburring tools, and this is the best one I've found yet. It works really good. No, I don't think you're blocked, bro. I can see... Kevin, I can see your comment. I got my ring yesterday, and it was wonderful. Thank you. I left a comment on your site and a picture. Awesome, Larry. Thank you so much. So, if I can't find the quarter I'm looking for through just rolls of quarters, I'll either, for more like current quarters, I'll order them from the U.S. Mint directly. And if I can't find them there, I usually get them on eBay. So if a customer's asking for like a specific coin, specific date, I don't have that in stock, I'll usually just hunt it up on eBay. Nordic compass, do you put that on a ring? That's something I'm still kind of working on. So this is a Nordic compass mold that I got recently to melt my scrap silver down into. And I was able to get one pretty good pour out of it. So this is like a partial pour. And this is my first time actually making it into a ring, but this is like way too much silver. So that's probably about a month out. I still have some more tinkering to do to be able to offer different sizes for this. And honestly, I need to get more map gas. I can't melt silver without map gas. So if you guys want to help me out with that, check out the shop. Tap the gold link down here. If I get a couple more orders this month, I'll be able to stock up on some more map gas. But that is something to come in the future. It's still something I'm tinkering with. It's not quite to the point where I want to sell it yet. Because this ring is massive. Like, look at how it compares to the ring I'm wearing right now. As far as band thickness, how wide it is. It's very heavy. I think it's about 1.5 ounces. It is like just way too much ring, I think, to even be comfortable. But it did come out pretty nicely. But yeah, keep an eye out. Hit the follow button. I will definitely be posting when that is ready for the general public. If anybody else has any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. If I missed your comment, go ahead and put it back in there. Sometimes TikTok will filter out comments and I won't get to see them. Thanks for the heart, Kayla. Or Kaya. There we go. So we got the inside edge pretty well cleaned up. Now we're going to hit it with a little bit of steel wool. A little bit of steel wool.